All right, we're here with the 1965 Alcort Sunfish Wave. We're putting on some TotalBoat Topside Primer, the white. We mixed it thoroughly first. I just started pouring it between cup to cup, which is working today. Y'all might introduce bubbles, so you do it the way you like to do it. Some of these old Mighty Mini rollers, one-handed priming, that's always fun. And we're going to go over the last bit of the transom here. I go over a little bit heavy at first to get the paint on, then I come back lightly, and you can maybe see a little ridge developing there. Just come back over the top of that and get that gone. Gotta need a little more in just a second here, but we'll get the that's the first coat of primer. See how much it's covering compared to no primer. And we'll keep going up the port side here on our Alcort Sunfish Wave.